If you eat dragon fruit every day, what happens to your body? It's a secret the doctor won't let you know until he dies. First, dragon fruit is rich in dietary fiber, which promotes the proper functioning of the digestive system, prevents constipation, and maintains intestinal health. Second, the fiber and antioxidants in dragon fruit help lower cholesterol levels, maintain cardiovascular health, and prevent the risk of heart disease and stroke. Dragon fruit contains a variety of antioxidants, such as flavonoids and polyphenols, which neutralize free radicals, reduce oxidative stress, and protect cells from damage. In addition, the vitamin C and antioxidants in dragon fruit promote collagen production, maintaining skin elasticity and reducing wrinkles and other skin problems. It is important to note that despite the many benefits of dragon fruit, some people may have an allergic reaction to it. Do you like dragon fruit? Leave your answers in the comments section and follow me for more health information. Day 7. Thanks to adequate hydration and essential nutrients, you'll feel an increase in energy, brighter skin, and more luminous eyes. If you eat bananas every day, what happens to your body? First, you'll reduce your chances of getting sick because bananas are rich in nutrients like vitamins, minerals, and potassium, which boost the immune system and protect you from infections and diseases. Second, you'll feel more energized because bananas are one of the best natural sources of carbohydrates, perfect for breakfast in the morning or providing a quick energy boost before exercise. But that's not all. Bananas contain tryptophan, an amino acid closely linked to mood regulation, which can help you feel more positive and happy. In addition, your digestive system will also improve, as the dietary fiber in bananas helps regulate bowel movement, prevent constipation, and make digestion smoother. At the same time, bananas can also help regulate blood pressure, as the potassium in them maintains healthy blood pressure levels, balances the effects of sodium in the body, and reduces the risk of cardiovascular problems, such as high blood pressure and heart disease. If you found this information useful, please bookmark this video. Subscribe and like for more health tips.